What up guys, your boy Cipher Tech here. Welcome back. Today, join me as we take a closer look at the Rephno eye massager. Let's get to the video. Okay, so eye strain, migraine, general nerve stress is a problem some people face in their daily lives. Constantly looking at screens, your phone, your laptop, your computer, your desktop screens, whatever you're using, your TV set. But the fact is, lots of people spend a lot of time on screens. So this can bring stress to your eyes, it can bring stress to your nerves, and you can have headaches and migraines occasionally. And that's where the Rephno eye massager comes in. Short story, my wife works a lot, mostly from home. She runs a company and she has a day job, and most times she is bombarded with tons of tasks, and at the end of the day she complains of headaches, eye pains, all effects from looking at screens majority of the day, brainstorming solutions to problems, this, that, and the third. Now occasionally I'll massage her nerves for her. I'll try to put my hands on her nerves and massage it and try to get her nerves to relax, and sometimes it can be tasking. So I'm like, no, I'm not doing this every time. And that's when I decided to go on Amazon and check if I can find something that can help and that she can use occasionally when she's working, and she can just take a downtime and enjoy a little bit of massage. And that's when I came across the Rephno eye massager. Now, funny thing is, since I got this thing, she has had no problems with migraine or eye strain or headaches, which is weird because I got it for that purpose, but now it seems she don't even need it no more. So I'm the one that uses it mostly. Funny, isn't it? Now this comes in two colors. You can get this in white or you can get this in gray color, and they both come in at about $70, $69 to be exact. So let's check out what's in the box. In the box you get your user guide, you get the USB cable for charging, and you get the eye massager. For the features, this has comfortable heating massage with built-in heating pads providing comfort temperature between 104 to 107 Fahrenheit, which is around 40 to 47 degrees C. Relaxing puffiness and dry eyes. This also has 180-degree adjustable design, so you can fold it and take it wherever you want to go. So say you're in the office or you're traveling on a flight, it's comfortable, it's light carrying around. I can see myself using this on a long flight. I'll just kick back, put my feet up, and wake me up when we land. It's so portable, and because it's foldable, it's light enough for you to carry without actually knowing it's there. So it's a really good carry-on. It doesn't take too much space, and it's a cool thing to have in the current world where we are always constantly looking at screens. Now it has a Bluetooth customizable music with built-in speakers and pre-recorded sound to interface relaxation. I don't really use this feature because I don't find the sound relaxing. I prefer it quiet and just have a good massage. So if you're thinking of getting someone a gift and you don't know what to get them, I think you should consider looking at this thing. You should get this for someone. It's a really good gift to give to someone. Now, my video wouldn't be complete if I don't share some few problems that I think can be improved. The first problem is the band. Now the band for me is not 100% comfortable. I like the fact that it's adjustable, but that's kind of the problem. When you expand the band or shorten the the elastic material of the band feels a little uncomfortable, and I wish they made the band a little bit bigger so that way it can fill in more spaces in the head and make it more comfortable when you have it on. And I wish the material could be a little bit softer so it feels nice and cozy. You don't get that with the band at all, but it's kind of nice to know that you can expand the band to your head size so you can use it comfortably. But I just feel it should be softer and a little bit larger. Now another feature I would like to add is I wish this comes with a pouch or a carrying case. I mean, it's pretty obvious that you need to have a pouch or a carrying case with this thing. You don't just hold it around going around, especially if it's something that you intend to carry around to your office or on travels. So I kind of felt like they should have added a case or a pouch with this device. I don't want, it doesn't have to be high quality, but anything will be nice. Now for the third, I wish this device carries more features as far as the massage features is concerned. Now, more additional massage modes should be added to this. So far, this only got 3 massage modes: soft pressure, hard pressure, and low pressure. That's it. I feel it should have some more modes in addition to that. Not pressure only, but focus on, let's say, applying different types of mode. Let's say you can massage one eye and massage the other eye a little bit, let's say less than the other one. So kind of additional modes should be added to it. I don't know, I could be asking for much, but I feel like the 3 modes that are there is not enough. I should adjust the massage level separately on different eyes or on different sides of the head. And I can also do it synergistically if I choose to have it uniform on all sides of my face. So I feel that should be a feature that should be added to this cool thing right here. Now, do I recommend this? Yes. Do I think it's perfect? No. Do I think it's still a gift to give to someone? Hell yeah. So guys, leave it down there in the comment section down below. I don't know, for me, I feel it's a really good device, comes at a good price point, and plus it's really helpful when you are the kind of person that uses screens a lot. And I know lots of you guys out there kind of spend lots of time on screens, so fighting with migraines and headaches and all that kind of stuff, you can just put this on, and you can even use this if you just want to kick back and just relax in your bedroom and just sleep. It's really nice. So guys, that's it for this video. By the way, oops, before I forget, I'm giving away this Razer Kishi mobile controller. It's a universal mobile controller for Android devices only, and I'm giving it to one of my subscribers. So if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, you should consider hitting that subscribe button. It's nothing really, it's just a little thank you to my subscribers. It's not the most expensive thing in the world, but I just feel like I should give back to my subscribers, and I think it's about time anyway. So thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching the content. Really appreciate you guys. So by the way, that's all I have for today, and with that said, stay safe, stay frosty. Cipher Tech out.